Hello. Okay, let's draw. So I often get asked how I grew my account or how to get more followers. So I thought I could do a video and maybe talk a bit about it. Also, I started my first account some years ago, and it wasn't until I started doing some of the tips and tricks that I will explain to you now before my account started to actually grow. So I hope this will be useful to you. The first point I want to talk about is improve your art. If you are a beginner or your art looks like this, then you will probably have to improve your art first. But don't you worry, we have all been there. Those are actually my old drawings. So sooner or later you will get better. Just keep drawing, practicing, try out new styles and things, and you will get better. Also, you don't have to draw masterpieces to grow your account. Just look at my art. But if you have a unique or interesting style, it will be much easier to grow your account. And people will be more interested in seeing your work. I also recommend trying out different styles and see what works best for you and for your account. For example, it's much easier to grow your account if you have a cute art style than if you draw something different. But of course, you should always draw what you want and what is the most fun for you, or else you might get tired of drawing. The next point is to post every day. The more you post, the more the Instagram algorithm will share your posts and the more attention you will get. Of course, it can be hard to post every day, especially if you have to go to school or have to work. But you should try to post as much as possible. You can try to post sketches and work in progress whenever you don't have finished drawings to post. Because whenever I stop posting for like 3 or 4 days, I can see how my account is getting less and less attention. Okay, the next point I want to talk about is to follow trends. Try to do whatever is popular at the moment. Yeah, I'm not the best at this. I never know what is trending or popular at the moment, so I mostly don't do this. There's like these trends to draw funny things or memes or relatable stuff, or something like drawing Genshin Impact characters. But like I said, I don't really do this. But you can try out and see if it works for you, and it will probably help to grow your account. The only popular thing that I always do is draw this in your style. Well, not doing them myself, but joining them. Those are ones of the fastest way to grow your account and that other people can see your art. Especially if you join Draw This in Your Styles by big artists who already have a lot of followers. Also, I think they are a lot of fun to do. I always enjoyed drawing characters in my style. So the next thing I want to talk about are hashtags. I have read different opinions on how to use them, so I will just tell you what I do. I always use around 20 hashtags or so, but you can use up to 30. Try to vary them and make them relatable to your post. Try to go for more smaller hashtags, because on the big ones your post probably will go under all the other posts that are already under this hashtag. But I always try to mix them up. Use a few bigger hashtags, then some smaller ones and also some intermediate ones. Though I have also heard or read that it's better to just use a few hashtags and to not always repeat the same hashtags, because that could get you shadow banned, but I'm not sure if that's true. You can play around with this and see what works best for you. Now to probably the most important thing, Reels. I just started using them like a few months ago, and wow, a lot of my Reels get much more likes than my regular posts. Here you can do like tutorials, art process, show how your art looks from sketch to finished drawing. Those are the ones that works the best for me, by the way. Or even join challenges. I sometimes go through the reels and save some of the audios and challenges that I like to join later. So you should try them out. And here you can really do whatever you want. Okay, another important point is just being active on Instagram. Instagram will love you if you're active and participate in every of its function. But it will also hate you when you stop using it. So the best ways of being active is making stories, commenting, liking and sharing other people's art. Also, what I used to do, especially when I started my account, was going to the hashtags that I would usually post to, go to the most recent posts, and just commenting and liking some of the posts. That will help you as one, you're being active on Instagram, and two, a lot of people also will then check out your art and maybe comment on your art. And also you will help others to grow their account. But I have also heard that if you spam likes and comments, then you can get shadow banned. So just do a few every day, just in case. But I used to do like give 100 likes or so a day, and that was just fine. And when you write a comment, make it longer than 4 words, so it won't count as spam. Okay, so I think that's all that I wanted to talk about. You can try out a lot of different things and see what works best for you. And like I said, this can take quite a long time. But when I started following these points that I explained, it worked fine for me. So I hope this helps for you too, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.